Hunter. I own Leather and Lather Shop. I am 6 and I live in Utah. I make bath bombs, bath salts, and soap. And I like kitty, so I make a lot of kitty soaps, and I really like donut soaps too, so I make those. And I once made a Harry Potter collection and I painted it all. I really like science. I watched a soap video on thing, and you get to melt things and do all this scientific stuff. I really like to make soap. I have to keep everything organized so my boxes don't get messed up. I have to ship it and take pictures of it and sell it. I'll sell my soap at Renaissance fairs and fairs, and someday I'm going to get a trailer to sell all my soaps in. You have to keep everything organized, and you have to make it even if you don't want to. You can find me on leatherlather.com, and you can see my soaps and my videos on Leather and Lather Shop. I'm on Instagram and Facebook.